Hey there, this is Eddie, Multi-Man Services. We are in Williams Bay, Wisconsin today with the awesome privilege to do a property assessment on how we can get the gutters properly functioning, maybe some roof maintenance, and washing down the property after we do a little bit of masonry. So as you can see, we use video to more effectively communicate with our customers. Everybody's living busy lives. It's hard to do walk-arounds and talk about all that could potentially be done to be proactive about preserving and maintaining your greatest asset. So what we're going to do is I'll flip the camera around, I'll kind of point and talk with, we'll walk around together and make a game plan to get this property looking really good. And let's go, let's do this. I forget the homeowner's name here, but like 10 years ago I started, well maybe 12, I started working for the dentist here, power washing, and I learned all the wrong ways to do things. So now that we got the stucco drive-it type home here, the best and most safe and effective way to wash surfaces like an asphalt shingle and the drive-it surfaces here, we want to use a process called gentle detergent soft washing. So the cleaner breaks down all the mold, mildew, dirt, spider webs, and bug guts, and it actually flushes all those organics out of the pores that's living inside your asphalt shingles. So we got a lot of algae here, a lot of green. The roof's just not looking the way it used to or the way it could be. And so we're going to apply cleaner, let that dwell, disassemble your downspouts, collect all that algae. We'll make it happen, and we'll be good to go. Get all the debris off the valleys here so that we can have proper flow. You have current gutter guards on. I feel as if the functions of those could be improved. Not the most exciting gutter guard. I think a lot of birds like to get under there and make nests. Here's why. At the ends there, birds can get in there and make nests, and then your flow isn't working. So in order for us to clean these gutters, we have to clean off what's on top of them first, and then power flush what's under them using a Roto-Rooter Hydro-Jet flush. So not exactly certain what happened here. Could be an animal, but more than likely there are animals sitting under there. They get under there. Hey, look, it's a roof. Let's make a home. So, proper maintenance on a shingle. Let's look at this here quick. You're starting to see the fiberglass and the asphalt be exposed here. Now there's multiple layers to these shingles. You can see here. So this top layer here has seen better days, but it's kind of like changing the oil in your car. You got to get the car washed, get the oils changed out. So what we do with our roof maintenance is we get rid of all the organics and the dirt off the shingle, and then we apply a rejuvenating oil to the shingle to allow it to expand and contract properly. The oils over time will evaporate out of the shingle to dry up. They'll become brittle and crispy. As we can see here, I'm sure you're aware, you have quite the unique home. We're going to need to use specialty ladders home while making sure we don't tromp around your landscaping too much. And there's a lot of brick molding around the property that I'd like to get cleaned up for you. What else are we trying to do here? Well, that's all I got for you right now. I'm gonna make a proposal based on the photos I took. You can take a look at the options down below, and should get this place ready for summer, get it looking pretty and functional and happy. That's what we specialize in, is exterior home restoration and maintenance. And if there's anyone you know in the Lake Geneva, Fontana, Williams Bay, Madison area, even Chicago suburbs, let them know about our home maintenance services. Always here for you as a resource to find out what's the best fit for your home, the life cycle of your shingles. Sometimes it's not a good fit to do maintenance. Sometimes they're too old. But based on the assessment and what we've done here, we're able to get this home looking really good for another 5, possibly 10 years. Thank you.